Something happens at your rental property. Tenant damage, rental arrears, storm damage. You have landlord insurance, so you're covered, right? Then the insurer asks for documents, the lease agreement, condition reports, inspection records, photos. Missing one key piece of evidence and your claim could hit a roadblock. That changes today. In this video, we are going to walk through how the landlord insurance claim process works, when to lodge a claim, what documents you need, what mistakes to avoid, how long the process can take, and what to do if your claim is denied. Because landlord insurance works best when you understand the process before something goes wrong. This applies to Australian landlords and property investors dealing with tenant damage, rental arrears, loss of rent, storm damage, theft, vandalism, fire, flood, or other insured events. Before making a claim, check that the event is covered under your landlord insurance policy. You should also review your product disclosure statement and policy documents. These outline what is covered, what is excluded, your excess, policy limits, and any conditions you need to meet for your claim to be approved. It is also worth considering whether the cost of the loss exceeds your excess. If the repair cost is below or only slightly above what you would need to pay towards a claim, making a claim may not be worthwhile. Next, gather your evidence. Insurers assess claims based on documentation and evidence. Depending on the type of claim, this may include entry and exit condition reports, routine inspection reports, a signed lease agreement, property costs and rental income, photographs of the damage, repair quotes, invoices, breach notices, tribunal orders, or even a police report. Keeping clear and organised records makes the claims process much more straightforward. Once you have reviewed your policy and gathered your documentation, you can lodge the claim with your insurer or insurance broker. When lodging the claim, provide the details of the incident along with all supporting evidence and documents. The insurer will then assess the claim against your policy terms and may request additional information or appoint an assessor. If the claim is approved, the insurer may arrange repairs, reimburse repair costs, or provide financial compensation depending on the circumstances and policy coverage. If the claim is declined, you can request written reasons and access the insurer's internal dispute resolution process. Having landlord insurance does not automatically mean a claim will be approved. In many cases, the issue is not the event itself, it is what happens after it. For example, carrying out major repairs before speaking with your insurer could create complications during the assessment process. If emergency repairs are needed to make the property safe or prevent further damage, keep records, photographs, invoices, and receipts, and notify your insurer as soon as possible. Timing also matters. Delaying a claim can make the assessment process more difficult and may affect your ability to meet policy requirements. For rental arrears and loss of rent claims, it is important to follow the required tenancy processes and keep records of the steps taken. It is also important to understand what landlord insurance is designed to cover. Insurance generally responds to insured events, not maintenance issues, fair wear and tear, pre-existing damage, or gradual deterioration. So, how long does a landlord insurance claim take? The time frame depends on the type of loss, the complexity of the case, and how quickly you provide supporting documents. Straightforward claims, such as minor tenant damage with clear evidence and repair estimates, may be assessed and settled within 2 to 4 weeks. More complex claims can take several months. This is common when the claim involves rental arrears, tribunal proceedings, major damage, disputes about the cause of damage, or the need for an insurance assessor or causation report. If your claim is denied, the insurer must provide written reasons that refer to the relevant policy wording. You can request clarification. You can provide additional evidence, such as bond deductions or further proof. You can lodge a complaint through the insurer's internal dispute resolution process. And if necessary, you can escalate the matter to the Australian Financial Complaints Authority. Before a problem happens, there are a few practical steps landlords can take. Review your landlord insurance policy and product disclosure statement before you need to make a claim. Keep your policy number easy to find. Keep signed lease agreements, condition reports, inspection reports, rental ledgers, and photos organized. Conduct regular inspections as required by the policy. Follow tenancy law carefully, especially for loss of rent claims. Act quickly when an insured event occurs. Take reasonable steps to prevent further damage or financial loss, and communicate clearly with your insurance company or insurance broker. If you want help understanding landlord insurance cover for your investment property, speak with the team at Duo Insurance. We can help you understand your options so that your investments stay protected.